Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I'll show how to review clothes on Shein. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, the first thing you need to do is open up any web browser, go to Google, type in the Shein or go directly to Shein.com. And then you want to make sure you're logged in. So as you can see, I'm logged in here. And then once you're logged in, click onto My Orders, just under my profile. And then from here, you'll be able to see all your, make sure you're on the All Orders tab here. And you better see all the orders you've ordered off of Shein. So now to review these, as you can see, there's review on all these different things. So to review clothes or any products, is simply click on review. You have not left a comment on 0 items, continue commenting. Yes, continue commenting. And then you can give it a rating here. So I actually like these jeans, so I want to give it 5. The fit was true to size. The rating was 5. Review the product to help others. So write 20 or more characters to get 5 points. So I'll pause the video and put a comment in. Alright, I'll put the content in there. You can upload up the free photos to earn an extra 10 points. And be mindful, every little section you do, you get points for these. So you'll earn 5 points for reaching 20 characters, which I've done. My size information, you chuck that in there. And then once you've done there, you click on submit. So go ahead and do that now. And there you go, my review successfully rated. I got 7 points for reviewing these pair of jeans. So yeah, it's as simple as that, guys, how to review products or clothes on Shein. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this was helpful.